Are you a foreigner and do you want to know how to purchase a property near to the ocean here in Mexico? In this video, I am going to explain to you the process in 8 steps. My name is Victoria Roa and I am a real estate lawyer here in Mexico. My sister and I, we created our law firm almost 2 years ago, and almost all of our clients are foreigners that are looking to purchase properties here in Mexico. To buy a property here in Mexico, the 8 steps are the following. The first step, it will be to have a purchase offer letter. Okay, you can know this document maybe in your country. It's named letter of intent, a LOI. Okay, so this document basically it will have all the details of the purchase of the property. It will have the purchase price. It will have when you need to do the payments, like a payment plan. Also, it will be signed by seller and buyer. In this offer letter, they will ask you for a deposit, okay? Mostly all the sellers, they will ask you for a $5,000 or $10,000 deposit, okay, along with the offer letter. I don't recommend you to pay more than this amount because it will be too risky because we don't know who is the seller yet. Also, another advice I can tell you is that when you sign that offer letter, be sure that there is a little clause or phrase saying that in case you don't want to buy anymore that property, all your deposit will be reimbursed to you and when it's going to be reimbursed. And also the duration of this offer letter. Mostly all the offer letters are valid for 15 days. The next step, it will be to make a due diligence or title search from the seller. Basically, what we're going to do is to do an investigation from the seller. We are going to verify that the seller is really the owner, and we are going to go to the public registry to verify that the property doesn't have any lien or any surprise. We will provide also a report with all of our findings, and we're going to explain to you our findings from this investigation. On step 3, we are going to do a review of the contract, or in its case, an elaboration of the contract. Okay, here in Mexico, specifically in our state, Quintana Roo, we have a contract that is called Promise of Contract of Purchase and Sale. Okay, in this contract, basically what is doing the seller, it's giving you the promise, okay, or saying to you that he will do something. In this case, the thing that will do, or the action, it will be to sell you the property. Okay, so we're going to review that all the terms and conditions are according to the Mexican laws and also according to the offer letter. Normally on this step, after you sign the contract, you will do another payment. Normally this is called the down payment. So I don't recommend you to make this payment before signing the contract, okay? After you sign the contract, you will be able to make the down payment. In order to go to step 4, we will need to wait. In case you are buying a pre-sale, maybe according to the contract, you will need to wait months or even years, okay? Once the property is already built, okay, we can go to step 4. So basically on step 4, we are going to ask you to forward us some documents. It will be such as passport, proof of address, and other documents. And we are going to coordinate with 3 people. We are going to coordinate with the notary, because with the notary here in Mexico must be done the title deed of your property. We will coordinate also with the bank that will have the trust. It must be with a Mexican bank. And also we will coordinate with the seller to give us the documents that the notary and the bank needs. On this step, we will ask you to pay to the notary fees. We will ask you to pay also some trust fees to create a trust, and also part of our legal fees. If you want to know more information regarding which payments you will need to do, you can see this video. Once the documents are ready to create the trust, we will let you know when. You will need to do an inspection from your property. We advise you to come here to Mexico and do the inspection of your property to verify that everything is according how you want it and how it's in the contract, and you will verify everything. Okay, so this step also can be done by someone else. Okay, if you give them a power of attorney, they can do it, or we can do it on your behalf, but I will advise you always it is better to come here because it's not the same seeing the property in person. Then after you do the inspection, you are able to sign the title deed on step 6. You will come to the notary office, normally here in Playa del Carmen, and you will sign your title deed in person. Here in Mexico, we don't have yet the digital signature. I know in some countries they already have this, but not here in Mexico. So you will need to come in person, or in case you can't be here in person, also you can grant a power of attorney to someone you trust in, or we can offer that service to you. After you sign your title deed, you will be able to live in your property, and on step 7, you will need only to wait to be registered in the public registry, the purchase of your property, and you as the new owner. This process might take around 4 to 6 months to be registered, so the only thing you will need to do is to wait. Finally, on step 8, you will have your title deed with the registration that you are already the new owner. With this document, you will be able to change all your utility bills, as the electricity bill, water bill, and also in case you want to move here permanently to Mexico and you want to stay more than 6 months, you can start your immigration process with an investment visa. Okay, in this case, I am going to confirm to you how much you will need to invest in Mexico. I think this year is around 2 million or 3 million. I will confirm to you, but you will be able to obtain this type of visa with the purchase of your house. If you like this video, please give us a like and also subscribe to your YouTube channel. We are going to be sharing with you every Tuesday and Thursday more videos. And also, if you have any more questions regarding how to invest here in Mexico or any other subject you want to know a little bit more about, please leave us a comment and we will do a video about that.